In 2022, the James Webb Space Telescope turned toward the early universe. Scientists expected to see the first dim, scattered beginnings of structure. Small clumps of gas slowly collapsing into the first stars. What they found instead broke the models. Galaxies, massive ones, fully formed, bright enough to see across 13 billion light years, existing just 300 million years after the Big Bang. They should not be there. Every cosmological model built over the last 50 years said galaxies of that size take billions of years to form. Gravity slowly pulls gas together across vast distances. Stars ignite, burn, die, explode, scatter heavy elements. The next generation ignites from that debris. That cycle repeats over and over before anything resembling a large structured galaxy emerges. It is a slow and grinding process. It cannot be compressed into 300 million years. The physics simply does not allow it. And yet there they are. Scientists called them impossible galaxies. That was not a metaphor. That was the actual word used in the papers. Impossible. Because under every model, every simulation, every calculation built from the known laws of physics, these objects could not exist at that point in time. They violate what we thought we understood about how structure emerges from nothing. The first instinct was that Webb was wrong. A calibration error, maybe. A misread of the redshift that tells us how far away something is. Researchers went back through the data carefully. They confirmed the distances. They confirmed the masses. Some of these galaxies are as massive as the Milky Way, a structure our universe spent 13 billion years assembling. Something out there matched it in less than 3% of that time, and we have no explanation for how. This leaves three possibilities. Our entire model of galaxy formation is fundamentally broken and has to be rebuilt from scratch. The early universe operated under conditions so radically different from what we assumed that our current physics simply does not apply to that era. Or something is wrong at a much deeper level, something with the Big Bang model itself. That last one is the possibility no one wants to say out loud, because we built everything on that model. The age of the universe, the origin of matter, why anything exists at all. Every cosmological answer we have rests on a framework that these galaxies are now straining at the seams, and Webb keeps finding more of them. Every new deep field image pulls another anomaly out of the dark, another galaxy too big, too bright, too early. The data keeps arriving and the problem keeps growing. The universe is not behaving the way it was supposed to. We pointed the most powerful telescope in human history at the very beginning of everything. And what we saw did not match what we thought we knew. That kind of crack, historically, does not stay small. It spreads, and everything built on top of it eventually has to be reconsidered.